Kunomuntu ofakwayo ejardini. Kunomuntu oza nesangoma ejardini. Kunesangoma like there's okay, other people ask me to speak English. There is a sangoma that is there to heal you, but however, they will want you to continuously coming to them based on what they will give to you. So whatever that they give to you, continue going back to them. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you have a yard. Then someone comes and say, yo, ijarit lako lingolile, hey, ijarit lako, what. Guys, number one, stop doing ceremonies that you do not understand. Stop doing ceremonies saying, ufaga idlozi ejardini. Stop it. Stop saying, nifaga amadlozi ejardini. And then you call a sangoma to do that for you. That has nothing.
Ikhona enye iBhayibheli ithi mawungachamela phansi uNkulunkulu uyakubulala.
Mawuchamela phansi.
Mawuchamela phansi uNkulunkulu angakuthandi lokho.
Awuyazi le.
Ufuna sishaye phakathi?
Yebo, mawuchamela phansi uNkulunkulu uyakubulala, anga negotiate futhi.
Hayi wena. So na plastic nje akazwani nalo.
Akazwani nalo uNkulunkulu. That's why you funa straight, why one way, wire, too much.
Guys anye.
No, ngithi manje yazi kwenzakalani ngoba kuthiwa ungaqale wenze lento lena ungakashadi. Maybe that's why kukhulunywa kanjalo.
Yeah.
Ngoba masowushadile awusebenzisi lento yabo.
That's why one look is enough. One.
So go right ukuthi like lo enginaye ne cause akakhuluma ngomshado ngenze njani like ku right ukuthi mina ngimcele like
Umcela ukuthi ayenze.
Ukuthi umcele ukuthi akushade.
yeah.
Awukho wrong.
Ukuthi umcele.
Nisishada makwenze njani like nisishada makwenze njani ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi nisishada makwenze njani.
Only if istove sakho elese divide siphelela ku8 umshado ongenile. Asifuni la esakuthi sithi cha.
Hayi kanjani.
Sibeke kancane sithi stop. Ngathi ngikutshela iqiniso indoda ishada ibhontshisi lakho bangakucambela amanga. Ibhontshisi maliphambele angeke sikushade ibhontshisi eliphambele. Yebo
angazi nami ukuthi
ayikho indoda izoshada ibhontshisi eliphambele.
Okay ke
ayangazifaki lapho.
Siza uthini?
Angazi ukuthi maybe yimi or wrong ePitori bathi wanyala wahlalifa yabona.
Esize izwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi indoda mayishada umuntu ishada ibhontshisi maliphambene angeke ukushada kufuneka idefy iphelela ku8 mawusplaga sivele siyavuthisa lesa ukuthi sizothi cha sistope slide futhi cha sistop kufuneka stop esibridgewe wire
mawungacheck uhlukile guys I mean, I don't believe.
No,
I don't believe ukuthi itofu ihlukile. I feel like itofu ziyafana. Like I don't believe.
Ezinye ziyakhuluma, ezinye ziyakhuluma.
Different toilet. It's same shit but different toilet.
Yeah.
No. It's same shit. Okay. Even though itofu zingafani, kodwa mina okay ngasho noma zingafani kodwa ushadeli ukuthi ku right lapha ngoba niyahlala isikhathi eside. Angithi niyahlala isikhathi eside umshado mhlawumbe nihlale boma 20 years. Abanye namanje basathandana basasi right. Uyabo. Nina yini enilungisayo ukuthi istofu makuukuthi asikho right.
Bakhona ukuthi bashadela ukuthi bafuna kuphumula phela nyalo.
Thabo, wena
Bakhona abashadeli bafuna
yini into eyifunayo emuntwini wesifazana wena?
bakhona abashadeli
Ungamshada. Uthi yabona lo
bafuna
ngizomshada.
ku-enjoya ibuye ukuthi babe emshadweni.
you know ukuthi ma bangakuqasha ekhampanini bakunikeza itraka yokuthi ma ulayishile hamba icima yonke into
Yima ithi uThabo siphendule Thabo.
Mina
Wena
Na according to na like na ke be respect the pele. Despite this for and in then I prefer respect over everything.
but are you willing to give the respect back?
Yeah. Kay kita ko'y dabulan.
Okay. Are you currently in a relationship?
Thabo,
Yes.
ukilwa jola ko
The
Pitori.
committed one. Yeah, Pitori basag.
Why Pitori? Why Pitori?
Bakile ba ufa halls. Bakile ba ufa halls era ya Robertson.
Ay, basum.
How's the
Tingol.
thing, guys?
Oh, I know, I understand. Eh? Agir wa isibanyana ba ko Pitori if banyaka ukhutuza. If banyaka ukhutuza ukatsa mali bona go dating after that libethe di drinks ka mola after that other baby ish na age kwani alcohol kupela utse
Yeah.
CTA uilo uje yona beka khona usuna after that tlatswa the following day late
Yeah, I know
ba
that.
rate into how ba tseli for everything.
Hi guys, there's no such.
There is.
There is no such.
I've
From
never it's my
experience.
first time hearing of that.
Yeah.
From
cool.
experience. Pretoria. That's why ngibuzile ngithi mina ujola ngesibindi nomjola ngenhliziyo. ePretoria abantu bajola ngenhliziyo nesikhathi sokudlala. Jola ngesibindi lapha.
Oh.
That's why bathi wanyala wahlala ife ePitori. Jola ngesibindi lapha, ujola ngenhliziyo lapha.
okay.
Especially social
Hayi,
movement. Yo, andizi.
Yeah, maybe singasho ukuthi kuya ngendawo ke into mina engibhekile kumuntu wesimama ukuthi lona angakwazi ukuthi akho umuzi abe nothando abe nenhlonipho nami ngibusela inhlonipho kuye bheki yabo.
So cabanga ukuthi umuntu wesifazane angawakha ayi-1 umuzi oromela awakhe nawe wena wena uzanani ukuze akhe because akakwazi ukuyothenga isimende athenge neyitina ayenze i-foundation bese akhe wena.
Where's but Pretoria is not for what?
Uyabona okwamanje
But Pretoria is not for
keeping.
Yo guys, like are you guys for real about this
we
show?
understand.
Dr. Mfulo.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Ubuyile tolo kokusikhutheni with another live. We know ukuthi uyawuthanda ama live, but bese kusikhathi lesithe angayindi live, and makabuya she was dragging our sisters kokuthi lenda yikho, even revealing ukuthi mangwajwayela tangoma sangoma siyakhona kukwenda ukuthi lokubuyela kizo akaningi lokugula ubuyela kizo nangokuthi but bakubethelela ekhaya yikho yonke lento leyo. So like she was just saying ukuthi tindo tetangoma nje adiphili adikho people are just trying to make money baku business nitoqolo abantu if you guys are not being careful. And balabaningi bathi why manje akhulumele tindo leti now that yena she's no longer part of kuba sangoma. So people are saying ukuthi yena bekaliqola nje vele bakakasabe sangoma bekathwele futhi, hence why akhona akuthi manje yena akasiso sangoma. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.